Baby, it's okay. It's okay. Everybody is okay. Baby, it's okay. Oh, I've called the nurse, eh? She'll soon be here so that she can give me injection and check on you. She's here.
What is wrong with you? Oh my God. His blood pressure is very high.
Yes.
Oh my God. Okay. I'll give you an injection so that it will be better.
For me.
Okay?
You'll be strong for me.
You will be strong for both of us, okay? Be strong for both of us.
Yes.
Hey, what's wrong with your boyfriend?
Why is you shipping now?
That is the bottle.
What did you do?
No, my gown to go. Needle is different. That guy won't try me. He just, as you the talk, that guy break bottle. Peer for here, I remove him. Shook against a knife. Come out, I'm strong for you. Don't worry. Anybody will find your trouble, I will protect you. Baby, I will die for you. I will just put. I'll see now. Hey, I'll get it. Nothing there. I will protect you. Anybody will find you. For the time will be like my babe, not really say I will protect you. Now, let me bust your head. Wait till they try to say nothing if you enter my body. They shook me. Nothing will go enter body will go pay me. Now they tell you. Nothing if you pay me. If they shook, forget. Knife from here I will come out and scissors anything. Shook am. Not be pay me. I won't be pay now. Baby.
My guy. Oh my God. I love you.
Really, I love you.